Hey guys, an update on COREWEAVE. Yeah, we moved down lower. Last video, the title was $90 question mark. We did get there. We did take the slow and we showed, I think, good reaction of this point of control from this range and the 0.5 VIP here. Let's see, please, ideally this is the low and we can finally get a little bit of aggressive price action to the upside, because otherwise, once again, this is extending so much. Which starts to then put pressure on this scenario, okay? Let's see if we can break this trend line, first of all, to the upside. Followed by this point of control. Try to get above that. It's from this, I think, maybe let's just ignore this one even. This point of control, or maybe let's, because there is so much more data, let's just take a new one from this whole range. This one, okay? Trend line, then we can focus on this one as long as the structure here locally looks and keeps looking good. I think it's a nice one here for now. There is no 886 hit here. It's looking like maybe even a potential 5-wave move to the upside here. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. In that case, I will add some fips here if this wants to go lower at the start of tomorrow's trading day. And then try to break this trend line and yeah, hold it and try to just go to the upside. Let's see, still there is pressure on Oracle. We know that. Similar sector. We'll look at the chart in a bit. Let's see what that one has done. But yeah, finally, I really want to see some strength here. We can argue that this is a inverse head and shoulders. Okay, gonna break to the upside. I'll just leave this like this here on the chart so that we remember it. Should this really break out, we can maybe add this as a target as well. So that's gonna be it for COREWEAVE. Looking at NVIDIA then. Nice low here. We took the messy lows here and we now made a new low. Nice move to the upside. No 886 at 1. Maybe then ABC in a wave 2 and then now pushing higher. And then yeah, these data centers and chips. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Looking at the chart on the 4-hour time frame, this is a nice candle. This one as well, engulfing volume, especially this one after a red candle. Wick to the downside, move up, make a green candle with engulfing volume. Looks really good. Still looking at this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and then W, X, Y maybe, or yeah, I think that's the best way to count it. X. Yeah, really don't want to bother myself with this exact micro. Fips are holding, golden ratio is holding. We don't want to lose this, and there is no indication that there is any 5-wave move in here. This is a clear 3-wave move. Okay, so to me, corrective. And then yeah, first of all, I think we should try to focus on getting above this point of control at $200 or like 194, not 200. No, 199, 200. The 194 is the post market here. And should we move down lower, we have the $189 level and the point of control of this range, which we absolutely don't want to lose. Okay, already losing this will be a sign of weakness, not the end still. Okay, but this one will be big if we lose this. Then Oracle, yeah, did hit the 886 here from this low to this high, so indicating, or look, no, it did avoid it, but probably will hit it tomorrow. Once we do that, it increases probabilities to take this low, and then yeah, we might go and test this point of control here at 130 and then try to move up from there. If it breaks that, we will move to $98. Okay, now will it drop tomorrow and do that tomorrow? Potentially, but it is very overstretched to the downside on the 4 hourly, on the daily now as well, that we might like get maybe a local move to the upside or a range and then move down. Okay, in a wave C you want to see a 5-wave move to the downside. Could have been a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. Okay, something like that. So let's see what it's going to do at this level, 130. If we lose that, we will focus at 97 and we'll take it from there. And I think COREWEAVE is and has to wait for this one. Same sector, not the same price action. COREWEAVE looks better, but still, it would be good to have this one show strength. It always helps and boosts COREWEAVE as well, even though they don't move similar all the time. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.